humble arrogance. When we repeatedly try to overcome some conditioning and fail, we may quit saying, I just can't give this up. This is how I am. This is just the way I am. I accept myself. Such words of acceptance might seem humble, but they could well be something else. They could be humble arrogance. Certainly we need to accept ourselves where we are, but at the same time we also need to recognize that God has the power to change us. Otherwise, we may be arrogant, because we are saying that this is just the way I am. This could imply that even God can't change us. And if that is the implication, then that's arrogance. No. If we said that our power is greater than God's, then we would recognize that as arrogance immediately. But the same principle applies to the opposite also. Even our powerlessness can't be greater than God's. Our conditionings might make us powerless, but we still have the power to purify ourselves by God's grace. So, how might that work? Now, when arrogance wears the mask of humility, that means that arrogance creeps in by making us justify and perpetuate our moral lapses. If we understand that, yes, it may be difficult for us, but we are not alone, Krishna is with us, and if we seek His help, if we just stay connected with Him, then we will grow. Apichet sudaracharo bhajate mam ananya bhak sadhureva samantavya samyak vyavasito hi saha kshipram bhavati dharmatma shashvachantim nigacchati kaunteya pratijanihi name bhaktah pranashyati. Krishna says that if we just stay connected with Him, we will become purified, even if we have committed some serious wrongs. So the idea is, in our humility we can admit that we are powerless, but humility is always accompanied by confidence, wherein we see what God has done in other people's lives, in scripture as well as in our experience around us. So, and then confident humility focuses on, this is what God can do. This is how He can transform. He can elevate, He can liberate. And with this understanding, if we move forward, then we may still have a tough fight on our hands. It may take much more time. It may require more efforts. It may require us to go through more relapses, but by Krishna's grace, we will be delivered. So, this is just the way I am, is arrogance wearing the mask of humility. This is what God can make me, is confident humility.